Hello, fellow rail fans. Canadian Railfan 1923 here, and welcome to another Railfan video. So to tell you all the excitement of the day, I was learning how to use a tripod until I got a word that there's something really interesting on CN M396. But before I show you that, I caught 4 trains, and the first one I caught is CN A424, going from Sarnia to Toronto. It was led by CN Rail Gevo 2871, which is the engineer gave me a nice P5 horn salute. And trailing second is CN Rail Gevo 2875. And A424 has a total of 148 freight cars. The next train I caught is CN Q122, going from Chicago, Illinois to Montreal, Quebec. It was led by CN Rail 9 2679, which is the engineer gave me a wave and an awesome K3L horn salute. And trailing second is CN Rail Gevo 2273, and Q122 has a total of exactly 100 freight cars. The next train I caught is CN A435, going from Toronto to London. It was led by a solo unit, and that's CN Rail AC44C6M 3303. And A435 is short because it has a total of 25 freight cars. After 3 hours, the sun starts to go down, and the next train I caught is Via 75, a westbound going from Toronto to Windsor. It was led by Via Rail P42DC 910, and Via 75 has a total of 7 passenger cars. Just after Via 75 departed, along came CN M396, going from Memphis, Tennessee to Toronto, Ontario. It was led by CN Rail /IC-9 2709, which is the engineer gave me a cool K5HL horn salute. And trailing second is CN Rail SD70M-2 8953. The only SD70M-2 operating on these railways that has the Leslie RS3L. This is actually my second time seeing 8953. The last time I saw him was on February 18th this year, when he was leading CN M384, which that train doesn't exist anymore, at the same location, Aldershot Go, on a cold winter day. Anyways, trailing third is BNSF-9 778, which is actually the red and silver Warbonnet. This is actually my first time seeing one of those. And M396 has a total of 88 freight cars. I wasn't alone who caught this train because Jack Logan W was there as well, but he's on the other side of the station. So, yeah. Well, fellow rail fans, that is all the trains I captured for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, you know what to do. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out. And that will be it for sure. And one more thing, go subscribe to Jack Logan W. Link to his channel is in the description below. Peace out and be safe. Take care and y'all have a great night. Cheerio.